Hey everyone, want to add users to Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to give other people access to your Google Analytics account step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the Google Analytics property or account where you want to add a new user. Now open the Admin Asterisk section from the bottom left corner of your Analytics dashboard. Next, choose whether you want to add the user at the account level asterisk, or property level asterisk. I mean account level access affects all properties, while property level access only applies to a specific website or app. Click Access Management asterisk and select the option to add a new user. Enter the person's email address that is connected to their Google account. Next, choose the permissions you want to give them, such as viewer, analyst, editor, or administrator access. Review the selected permissions carefully and make sure the user has only the access they need. Click Add asterisk to send the invitation and give the user access to your Google Analytics account. Finally, the new user can sign in with their Google account and access the analytics data based on the permissions you provided. And that's how to add users to Google Analytics. By managing user permissions correctly, you can collaborate with teams while keeping your website data secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.